Welcome to Baby Nutrition Series episode 3. And today we're making simple natural puree for the babies with just 2 ingredients. The first ingredient is carrot. I'll be using half of a carrot. Just wash it nicely and peel off the outer skin and chop it into nice size. And then I'm going to be using some rice. So I'm going to use one and a half tablespoon of rice, and I'm just going to wash it like this. You can also use leftover rice that you have for the family. So in a pot, you're going to add a bit of water and steam or boil this until it is soft, like both is soft. Carrot is, rich in vitamin and beta carotene and all that. So you blend that up with either milk, breast milk, or formula milk until it is smooth, just like this, like no lumps. And then look at that rich vitamin A creamy puree that we made. I'm going to be using this pouch because it makes eating less messy, and you can get something like this also for your baby. See you in episode 4, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.